Welcome back. I'm Jordan with Golden Rule, where we care about your comfort. Today I've got something really cool to share, the Dynamic Germicidal UVC Lamp. Picture this, your home, your sanctuary, but lurking in the shadows are unseen invaders, germs, bacteria, and viruses. But fear not, the Dynamic Germicidal UVC Lamp is here to save the day. What's so special about it? Well, it's like having a tiny superhero in your home. Using powerful UV rays, it zaps away up to 99.9% of those pesky germs, keeping your air and surfaces squeaky clean. And what's the best part? It's perfect for all kinds of homes. Whether you live in a cozy bungalow or a sprawling mansion, installation is a breeze, so you can start enjoying cleaner air quickly. Now I know what you're thinking. Something this amazing must cost a fortune, right? Wrong. Prices can vary depending on your system and installation. Still, you're looking at an investment of around $1,100 to $1,700. At Golden Rule, we believe in making your home healthier without breaking the bank. Why should you care about the Dynamic Germicidal UVC Lamp? It's simple. It's all about peace of mind, knowing that your home is a haven where germs dare not tread. So what are you waiting for? Let Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical help you shine a light on cleaner living. Reach out to us today and let's make your home the cleanest and coziest haven in town. Remember, at Golden Rule, we care about your comfort.